everyone, Kaylee here with another Tinker with Tuesday, brought to you by Georgia Pacific. Alright, so today guys, I'm going to do a fun craft for you. This is called a secret message card. Alright, let me show you this. Isn't that cool, guys? So today we're going to make our very own. Folds out just like this. Alright, so real quick, first things first, we're going to start with our materials. For your materials, what you're going to need for this craft are a pair of scissors, you're going to need a glue stick, ruler, very important, a pencil, a marker, and of course your paper to get your card started. Alright, so what I have here are your two main pieces. You're going to need one big one. That's about, I measured 24 centimeters by 12 centimeters. This is going to be your big one. And you're going to need two strips at exactly 6 centimeters by 12 centimeters long. Two. Alright, so to get started. First things first, we're going to put these to the side because we don't need them right now. Okay. Fold it in half. Okay. I'm going to press it down. Make sure we get those nice crisp creases. Okay. Unfold. We're going to fold it in half again, but instead of all the way over, we're going to fold it into quarters. We should have, by the time we're done, 3 lines with 4 panels, and I'm going to do the other side too. Hold it in the middle, crease down all the way, so it folds out like a card. Just like this. All right. Now, fold it in half again. Do that slowly. Now right here on the folded part, not the part that's open, but the part that's closed, you're going to measure somewhere about in the middle. I oddball it, but you can, it's just cutting right here in the center. You're going to reach this line here that already divides it in half. Okay, you can see that. All right, so I have my 2 panels cut. Fold it out. All right, now we're going to bring in our 2 strips here. All right, so one is going to be tucked nice and neatly under here. Okay, and if it pokes out just a little bit more so on one side than the other, then you can always go back and fix that. All right, so now I'm going to do the other side. Poke it out through. So it should look something like this. All right, now at this stage, what I like to do is, let's see, flip it over. Okay, I will glue these down. Take my glue. Keep it from sliding all over. I'll go back and fix that. Okay. So at this point, when you have your card, it comes out like this. And then folds in like that. So just to do it again real slowly so everyone can see one more time. Open, reach it right here. This is basic paper mechanics and so much fun. And I have my markers and pencils so you can write secret hidden messages inside of them. Thank you again for joining me with Tinker with Tuesday, and I hope you enjoy your craft. Bye bye guys.